This is how to get the best price possible on Wix in May 2025 and how you can get started for free. If you're looking to build a website this month, you are in luck because Wix is offering a free trial and you can snag a free trial, and I'm going to show you how. Wix gives you everything you need to build a beautiful, high-performing site. And if you've never heard of Wix before, it's one of the easiest website builders out there. And I mean that in the best way. It's a drag and drop platform, so you don't need to know how to code or mess with anything complicated. You literally just choose a template, click on the parts you want to change and customize it however you'd like. Change the colors, change the fonts. It's super simple and intuitive. So whether you're building a blog, a business site, or an online store, or even just a portfolio, Wix has templates and tools for all of it. What's super cool about it is that it's just very flexible. You can keep things super simple or dive into more advanced features like custom animations, members areas, email marketing, and even selling digital products. It's built for people who want their website to look polished without hiring a designer or developer. And it honestly just works super easily, and the UI is also very clean and straightforward. And that's why millions of users, including myself, trust Wix to power their online presence. All you have to do is click that link, type in your email address, and click start now. You don't even have to add a credit card information in at all until you're ready to upgrade to one of the premium plans. So you can play around and build without even paying a dime. So you can continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple, or go ahead and just create it from a separate email, type in your password, and click login, and you're good to go. If you are looking to upgrade, I did just want to show you what the different plans are so you're aware. They've got a couple of different options here. They've got the Business Elite, the Business, the Core, and the Lite. Starting off with the Lite plan is $17 per month, and you get a free domain for a year, 2 gigabytes of storage space, multi-cloud hosting, and Lite marketing suite, and 2 site collaborators. So this is just a great way to get started and remove the Wix branding, because with the free site, they will have the Wix branding on there. So that is the only thing. With the Core, this is $29 a month, and you also get the free domain, you get more storage, you get the basic marketing suite, so it's upgraded from the Lite. You also can accept payments. This gives you the basic e-commerce and ups you to 5 site collaborators. And then with the business, this is $36 a month. And again, you get the free domain, you get even more storage, you get the standard marketing suite, so again, an upgrade, and the standard e-commerce, which is an upgrade from the basic. And then lastly, the Business Elite, which is $159 per month. Again, you've got that free domain. You actually have unlimited storage space. You get the advanced marketing suite, e-commerce, and developer platforms, and you get 100 site collaborators. So again, they've got a plan for everyone depending on where you are at with your business. So I highly recommend Wix because I personally use it too. And it's very simple and easy to use and easy to customize. If you want to get started with the free trial, again, we've left the link in the description for you. And that is it for today's video. If you have any questions about which plan to use or even just Wix in general, go ahead and drop them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.